So when we have tick all that apply question like this, we can code them as binary coding into 0 not chosen and 1 chosen. So I put all of these words in the columns, and now I will apply a function on Excel. So these are like, this is the question and these are the words or the options here. So I will need to come here and I will apply this function that I'm going to share with you. Simply you can copy, paste it, and then you can adjust it. So here it is. So it says like B1, and so the B1 here, it's AA1, like this one, and then A2, which is the Z2. So I just put the reference of this cell and the reference of this cell, and then I will click enter. So what will happen is that I have 0, meaning that ChatGPT is not chosen by the first person. So I will drag to this one, and here Grammarly and Quellbot 1. So you see that they have been chosen. So simply I can drag this function till the end of the data set, like here, and here you go. So you will have all these options coded from 0 not chosen to 1 chosen. So this is in brief how I can code tick all that apply questions, and then I can simply import them into SPSS and analyze them separately. So here each option becomes a question, a separate question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5. So of course in the others, the respondents added other options. So these options again can be analyzed using word cloud or any other qualitative data analysis, so that we can see the bubbles and the word clouds on the most prominent words that have been mentioned by the respondents. Or I can simply comment on that by writing that the respondents noted other options like Perplexity, Notebook LM, Quellbot, and other, let's say, AI tools. So this is in brief how we can do tick all that apply question analysis using Microsoft Office Excel. Stay tuned for the other parts of the video and see you soon.